I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Joshua Weissman's fried rice. This method focuses on achieving restaurant-quality results at home. We'll cover essential techniques like using cold, day-old rice and ensuring your wok or pan is screaming hot. Get ready to elevate your fried rice game with these simple yet effective steps. Let's dive into the details and create a truly delicious dish. Proper ingredient preparation is key to successful fried rice. Start with cold, day-old rice. This prevents stickiness and ensures individual grains. Finely dice your aromatics, such as garlic and ginger, to release their full flavor quickly. Cut your chosen protein, like chicken or shrimp, and vegetables into small, uniform pieces for even cooking. Having everything ready before you start cooking makes the process smooth and efficient. Mastering the stir-fry technique is vital for that perfect fried rice. Begin by heating your wok or pan to an extremely high temperature. This creates the signature wok high flavor. Cook ingredients in small batches to prevent overcrowding, which can steam rather than fry them. Add your protein first, then vegetables, and finally the rice. Incorporate sauces and seasonings towards the end to coat everything evenly and prevent burning. To perfect your fried rice, a few finishing touches make all the difference. Garnish generously with freshly chopped scallions and a sprinkle of toasted sesame seeds for added flavor and visual appeal. Serve your fried rice immediately while it's hot and fresh to enjoy the optimal texture and taste. For those who love to cook and read, check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite, along with other great deals. Enjoy your delicious, homemade fried rice.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.